3 exercises you need to include in your workout to build strength.
You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Today we've got a workout video and I'm going to be showing you my favourite compound lifts. I'm going to do 3 exercises that are really going to help you build your strength and going to help with your other lifts in the gym.
First exercise, we're going to do a bench press. Now, it's really important to warm up with the bar on this exercise, especially if you're lifting heavy, just to get those muscles that you're going to be working warmed up to prevent injury. Bench press is one that I feel like a lot of women tend to avoid, but it's a really good exercise to help build your upper body strength. The method of training I am using on this is ascending pyramid style training, and basically what that means is you lower in reps but you increase the weight. So I'm starting off with 12.5 added to the bar and doing 10 reps, and then as the sets go on I'm increasing the weights and decreasing the reps. So the next one will be 15 kg on the bar and 8 reps, and then the next one will be 20 kg on the bar, 6 reps, and the final 4th round is 3 reps. But I actually really struggled because I put 30 kg on the bar, so you'll see that I actually turned this into a negative training, which is where you get your partner to help you with the bar and you do the downward motion on your own, and then your partner will help the motion come up. This is really good for increasing your muscular mass and help you build your strength. Okay, so the second exercise we're going to do is a conventional deadlift. So it's not a Romanian deadlift, it's going to be a full range of movement. Picking that bar up, I could have done with having the bar a lot closer to my body. That's the beauty of videoing yourself and making sure you've got correct form. So what you want to make sure is the tension is in your hamstrings and in your glutes. And you want to make sure that back is super straight, and if you lift your head up slightly, see I'm looking at myself in the mirror, that really helps me with keeping my back straight. You don't want to arch the back at all because otherwise the tension is going to be on the back. This is actually classed as a lower back exercise, but obviously it does work those glutes and those hamstrings as well. And it's a really good exercise to build strength in other areas and help you with your other lifts as well. Again, like the first exercise, I'm using the method which is the ascending pyramid. So I am increasing the weight every single set and decreasing the reps. So I'll start off with 20 kilograms added to the bar, and that is for 10 reps. Going all the way down to the floor. That's the difference between a conventional deadlift and a Romanian deadlift. Okay, so moving on to my 3rd set now. This is 50 kg added onto the bar. I'm just resetting myself, and I'm doing 6 reps at 50 kg added onto the bar. This was a bit of a struggle, I'm not gonna lie. I actually stopped doing deadlifts for a long time, just when I fell out of the gym, and we're only kind of taking deadlifts more seriously now. So I'm really trying to build my strength back up with deadlifts, and the final set I basically did 60 kg, but I could only manage 1 rep. I'm not gonna lie, I really had to hype myself up for this one. For the 60 kg for 1 rep, I had to reset myself quite a few times. I feel like with this kind of thing, it is definitely mental as well. My hands just weren't letting me, the grip wasn't letting me. I just needed to mentally prepare myself. And yay, I finally lifted 1 rep. Okay, the third and final exercise of this workout video, and arguably one of the most important in my opinion, just because a squat includes so many different muscles. It's really good for your core, really good for your back, really good for the glutes, and obviously the legs as well. This is an exercise that really increases your strength and helps with other lifts. I'm not gonna lie, the Smith machine isn't my favourite. The squat rack was actually taken at the time, so we had to just make do with what equipment was available. But I would say the Smith machine is pretty good if you are a beginner and you're not used to the squat movement, and you're worried about the bar dropping or anything like that. It is good for beginners. I just much prefer a freestanding squat rack. So the method that I'm actually using on this is slightly different to the previous methods. It is a descending pyramid. So instead of increasing the weights, we are now decreasing the weight. So we're starting off heavy with low reps, and then decreasing the weight and increasing the reps. It's really important if you are starting your working sets with heavy weight to make sure you warm up with more than the bar. So work your way up to the heavy weight. So say you're going to lift 60 kg for 3 reps in your first working set. You wouldn't just warm up with the bar and then go straight in for the kill and start with the 60 kg. Maybe try and do 20 or 30 kg after you've done the bar, and then work your way up to the 60 kg. On this particular exercise, I did 50 kg after I'd done the warm-up sets with 3 reps, then 40 kg at 6 reps, 30 kg at 8 reps, and then finally 30 kg again at 10 reps. And that was just because I felt like the 30 kg was pretty easy. I probably could have started off heavier, so next time I'll definitely make sure that I increase the weight to match that.
I am a sweaty mess. That workout was, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.